I'm a technician at this grocery store performing this inspection service, and I have access to all of the equipment on site, including this wet sprinkler asset. On this asset, I have access to attachments and all of the service history, including work that's already been completed. I also can see any deficiencies or repair opportunities that were reported on this asset, including those that were fixed. I can see who reported them, and I can even see their attachments, which include photos, videos, and anything else that might be relevant. Now, let's say I find something wrong with this asset. I want to be able to report this quickly and easily right here in the mobile app. I can write a description, or I can talk to text, and I can take my own photos, videos, audio notes, anything I need to describe what's going on here. I'm going to use a picture I've already taken on my phone. Now, ServiceTrade has an offline mode, so if I don't have service, I don't have to think about it. The next time I get a signal, everything is going to automatically upload behind the scenes. Now, when I report that deficiency, that's going to go to the office to give them a full report on everything I've done on site and notify the responsive party so that they can create a quote and get this out in front of the customer on my behalf. Over in the office, we get a full review of everything that's happened on site, all in one page. The deficiency is reported right here in this section, but I could follow my email notification or view a report to also see any deficiency reported across the entire team. Here's the one that we just saw from the field. I can go through and read all the notes, view the attachments. Conveniently, turning this into a quote is a button click away. I can give it an expiration date to add a sense of urgency and turn this into a quote. Now, this is a fairly bare bones quote right out of the gate. I have my attachments and some other details, but I'm going to use my quote templates to pull in all sorts of other information rather than having to type this over from scratch. I have my description, some line items, my typical cost, and the expected price based on my agreements with this customer. I think this looks good. I'm going to send this out for customer approval. When the customer gets notified in their email, they open this up digitally where they get a beautifully formatted quote complete with the descriptions, the total cost, and full resolution photographs. Conveniently, there's an easy one-click approve button, which I'm going to click now. Back in the office, you get notified that that quote was approved, as well as a full history of all the page views and everything else. And it's easy to turn this approved quote into a new ServiceTrade job. The ServiceTrade job has all the attachments and all that history, everything linking back to that asset, and puts the new appointment on the dispatch board for the team to find the right technician and get the work done.